Hello, my little dragons. Today we are going to make violet jelly.
For those of you who didn't know, violets look like this and bloom in the spring. You will need to gather 2 to 2.5 cups of them. Put the flowers in a heat-proof bowl and pour 4 cups of hot water over them. Cover and let sit for 12 to 24 hours. Then add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Then strain the liquid into a large pot. Then add your pectin, 1.75 ounces. Whisk in the pectin and bring to a boil. Once it's reached a hard boil, boil for 1 minute. Pour in 4 cups of sugar. Whisk the sugar until it is fully dissolved, and then once again bring to a hard boil for 1 minute. Do not exceed 1.5 minutes. Pour into canning jars, leaving a 1/4 inch space. Make sure to clean your rims with a damp cloth before you put the lids on. From here you can can it or put it in the fridge for immediate use. My mother used actual lemons and it turned out to be a much different color.